y'all, welcome back to the Kansas Fire Alarms channel. My name is Jake, and today's video is of my new panel. So, I know I don't sound very excited, but like internally I am extremely happy to have this, and I'm really excited to expand it, obviously. So here's our NAC, here's our SLC. It's the MS9050 UD. Here's the first pull station, BG12LX, and obviously it's pulling, so it works. And that's the only addressable device I have as of now. But I still have horn strobes and stuff like that. We have my system sensor low frequency sounder. My L series. My low frequency sounder. And my another L series. Before I pull the alarm, don't pull fire alarms from real buildings. And what else? I always say something else, and I forget it. Oh yeah, and don't watch if you're sensitive to strobe lights. All right, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so obviously that's not sounding because there's no strobe, but these are all still flashing, as you can see. You know, audible silence apparently on 2-wire, well, the P4RL, right? Whatever. P4RL is not 2-wire, but, and that'll shut off momentarily. But it acts like a 2-wire device, or I have it wired like a 2-wire device, and apparently it's still capable of audible silence, so that's cool. So, I think that's everything I have to show for this video. Obviously, I will be expanding. This won't be the only device. I'm planning on buying a bunch of new devices in the coming weeks. So, thinking smoke detector there, heat detector in there, and the smoke detector out there. But that's just what I'm thinking as of now. I don't know. Once I get the stuff, I'll make a final decision. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.